Hi guys, and this is Brito. In this video, we are about to discuss the topic articles. Let's get into the session. Here I have given you a short introduction about the articles. In English language, we use articles to identify the noun. As here told, most probably the articles appears before the noun, and it will tells us whether the noun is a singular or plural, and whether it's specific or a general. More or less, articles act like adjectives. Here I have given the two types of articles. The first one is definite article and the second one is indefinite article. The comes under the definite article and a or an come under the indefinite article. Here I have given you general rules where we have to place article in a sentence. Okay, rule number 1, place the article before the noun. So already we have discussed the article will appear before the noun. Example, the house, the cat, a dog, a book. And the rule number 2 is place the article before the adjective when the noun is modified by an adjective. Okay, already we have discussed about it. The article will act like an adjective in a sentence. Example, the purple house, the black cat, a white dog, an open book. In these examples, the purple, black, white, open, these things are adjectives which qualifies the noun. So the article were appeared before the adjective which modified the noun. And the rule number 3 is do not add an article when the noun has a possessive pronoun. Possessive pronoun in the sense my, his, her, our, their. So we should not add article before the possessive pronoun or a demonstrative pronoun. This or that. Example, my house, her book, that house, this book. Here in these examples we may not add article. The next we are about to discuss is definite article. The, where we have to use the to identify specific nouns that represent things, places, ideas or persons that can be identified specifically. Use the with both singular and plural definite nouns. Example, the house or the houses, the business or the businesses. Okay, we can place the before singular or plural. Use the to identify things, places, ideas or persons that represent a specific or group or category. We can use the to specify a group. For example, the students in Professor Smith's class should study harder. Here the students is a collective noun, so we have used the. And the example 2, the automobile revolutionized travel and industry. Here the automobile represents the overall transportation. So we used the before the students and the automobile. And here some ideas where we have to apply the. Use the before unique objects like the earth, the human race, the world, the moon, the sun, the universe. These are the unique objects. So we have to place the before these words. And rivers, oceans, seas, groups of mountains and islands. We can use the before these words. Example, the Amazon. We all know Amazon is a well-known forest. So we can use the before the word, the Amazon. The Atlantic. Atlantic is an ocean. So we use the before the Atlantic. The Mediterranean Sea. And next we can use the before the ordinal numbers. Example, the second war, the seventh page, the first chapter, the first mission, the fifth paragraph, the sixth channel. And we can use the before the titles of people. When a title is used without a name, we can use the. Example, the president, the queen, the professor. The next we are about to discuss is indefinite article. A or an is an indefinite article where we have to use a or an. Use a or an to identify nouns that are not specific. Already we have discussed about the article the. We learned that we have to apply the before the specific noun. And here indefinite article like a or an will come before the non-specific nouns. Example, a book, a dog, a cat, a house. So here a book in the sense it is any kind of books. It is in general. So we apply a before the noun. Use a or an only for singular nouns. Definite article there will come before singular or plural, but the indefinite article a or an will come only before the singular nouns. Here I have given you some tips when to use a and when to use an. We can apply a or an according to the sounds of the noun. Use a before consonant sounds. Example, a book, a dog. Use a before a sounded h. A long u and o with the sound of v. Example, a hat, a house, a union, a uniform. Here union and uniform have started with vowel sounds, but the pronunciation u, yu is the real pronunciation of union and uniform. So we have applied a before these nouns, and a one R. Here one actually starts with W sound. One or appointment. Use and before vowel sounds. We already saw we have to apply a before the consonant sounds, and now an must be applied before the vowel sounds except long U. Okay, example: an asset, an essay, an index, an onion, and an umbrella. In these examples, asset, essay, index, onion, and umbrella have started with the vowel sounds. And the next one, the university. U, already we have saw university. It starts with Y sound, university. So we have given the, and use an when H is not sounded. Not sounded in the sense sometimes the H will be in the silent mode. Example: an honor, an R. In these two examples, H remains silence. Okay guys, here I have given you certain examples. Try it by your own, and try to make your own answers. I have given you more examples uh, to practice articles and to familiar with articles. So practice well with articles. Okay, thank you guys, thanks for watching, keep supporting, thank you.